guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. Hello, I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to say thank you for my subscribers, those that are new, those that have been there. Thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed, please just take the time to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. By the title of this video, you know what's up already. I'll be moisturizing my hair with my aloe vera juice. I did my aloe vera juice myself and it's looking pink. I don't mind the color, but it's just funny. Aloe vera is normally clear, but I added my peppermint oil inside, and like overnight it just turned pink. Well, I'll upload a video about how I do my aloe vera juice. Basically, that's what made it turn purple or pinkish. Aloe vera has different benefits, but I'll go into all that in my video where I talk about the aloe vera juice that I made. So just stay tuned for that. So today I'll be using my aloe vera juice. My oil is my oil mixture, my DIY oil mixture that I use, and my leave-in conditioner. All products will be listed down below in the description box. So my hair is freshly washed and conditioned under the shower. So I have this section ready. I'll be spraying my aloe vera juice on my hair directly and also on my scalp because it has benefits for your scalp also. So I love the scent of this right now. The scent of my peppermint oil. I just don't like the scent of aloe vera juice on its own, of aloe vera generally on its own. I don't fancy the smell. I don't hate it, but I just don't fancy the smell. Spray my aloe vera juice also on my ends. So that is in. I'll put a little bit of oil on my palm and put that in also. And then I go in with my leave-in conditioner. I use creamy leave-in conditioner because the liquid ones don't go that well with my hair. I don't feel it's doing much on my hair when it's just liquidy. So I go in with creamy leave-in conditioner so my hair is well moisturized. Now I'll just comb through my hair to make sure it's well detangled before I twist it. My next section. So you see how my hair looks when it's not yet moisturized. So I'll spray my I'll spray my aloe vera juice inside for you to see the difference after putting the aloe vera juice. I'm not going to shy from putting aloe vera juice because it has a lot of benefits on my hair. So I put as much as I want. So this is how my hair looks after putting my aloe vera juice directly on my hair. It's also easier to comb through your hair with aloe vera juice inside because it makes your hair like more slippery, so you are not pulling on your hair. See? Done. I'm using the LOC method for my hair, but I don't always do it like completely. It just depends on the style I'm going for or how my hair is feeling, the state of my hair. So I just do it differently, but today I'll be using the LOC method to moisturize my hair. So when you're putting your oil, you don't need to put too much oil because you don't want your hair to be greasy. You just want it to seal the moisture from the aloe vera juice. So now I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. So that's basically all that I do. I just go in, do the same step all over again, and do my whole head and keep it in my twist. Sometimes I keep it in my twist just not because I'm doing the twist out, but just because I feel like when I leave it in a twist, my hair stays moisturized longer than usual. But if I'm going to do a style afterwards, I'll just go ahead and do my style that I would do with it. I'll do my whole head now and just come back to show you how it looks when it's done. So guys, I am done and this is how my hair is looking. It's still pretty wet, not dripping wet or soaking wet, but still like damp, and my hair feels very soft. I wish you could feel this right now, but try it out yourself and you know how it's feeling. My hair feels so soft and well moisturized. If I should do a specific style with my hair right now, I would just go ahead and do that style if it collides with what I did previously. But if I'm not, and if I'm not doing anything specific, I'll just leave my hair like this and it will get dry, and I either take this out and do like a mini a mini twist out, like huge twist out, or I'll just pack my hair and wear a wig. I do that also. Instead of doing a flat twist, I'll just pack my hair to the back and I wear my wig on it. I hope this works for you when you try it out. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried this out before with aloe vera juice to moisturize your hair or not, or if you then try it, let me know how it worked out for you. And that's basically the end of this video. I hope you've subscribed by now. If you haven't, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell also so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And I'll just see you in my next video. Bye.